हेलो सर, पीछे रुको ना.
This drive and in Miramar there is a governor is also coming. Last time chief minister has come. Today we have a MLA sir, Mr. Mobin sir with us, and we are very grateful that he has accepted our invitation and he has come all the way from and taken us time from his busy schedules. We are very thankful to him, and I now request him to please address the gathering.
International Postal Cleanup Day is being observed all over Goa and by the Coast Guard and all of us together in collaboration with the Shikali Panchayat and all present here. Present on the dais, DIG Mr. Arvind, Mr. Mehra, all your other colleagues in the Coast Guard, Sadhna Mukudan, Ji from Bogmalu Beach Resort, our Deputy Sarkant, Lorraine, Ikuna, our Antonio, Kaitan Figueredo, our ex-Deputy Sarkant, and our present punch, and I think the senior most here, Arun Naik, also our other friend Antonio, members of the press, my young students and young people present here. Sometimes we just forget what is environment, and sometimes consciously and unconsciously as well as making those bad habits which totally make us to neglect what is environment and why environment should be clean around us. Since this drive is being done in Bogmalo here, I don't know if many of you have noticed how beautifully nature works. When the monsoons come in June, we will suddenly see slowly the sand disappearing from this beach. There will be no beach at all. I don't know how many of you have noticed it. There is no beach at all. Come August 15th, around August 15th, the process starts. The sea, from the sea itself, it throws back the sand to again recreate the beautiful beach. And this happens all along the coastal line. And I have seen it happening in Bogmalo. What a lovely way to understand how nature works in its own wonderful way. But what are we humans doing? What are you and I doing to protect the very environment which sustains us? Today, the Coast Guard is in the forefront. The entire country, the entire world is in the forefront of protecting our environment and particularly our oceans. What do we see today? People think by littering or throwing something out at sea, that thing is gone, it is buried in the ocean. No, it comes back on the beach, it comes back to land. It already pollutes your water. It already destroys the environment that is necessary for the marine life. And then you have all sorts of problems happening. Today plastic is such a menace. It is not only happening on land, it is not only happening as we litter our garbage on the highway sometimes or along wherever we can, but we throw it in the water, and our marine life and the entire quality of what is available underneath the ocean is being affected all over the world. Sometimes we have seen so many oil spills happening. Of course, it happens accidentally, but sometimes our ships as well, at one time it was thought that they can just throw something out at sea. Nowadays it is being monitored, and I think one of the biggest role played even in this direction is by our Coast Guard. I compliment you for that. But any movement to succeed, any particular thing to work in society, it really needs the involvement of each one of you. It is not enough only to have a function, remember Environment Day now and forget it the next moment. We have to remember it every moment. We have to make it a habit. Why is it that you and I, when we go abroad, we observe all the rules? You will not dare to litter or even throw after you eat a Cadbury or a chocolate, you will not throw the paper there because somebody will come and pull you up and you immediately you will be fined. Why don't you do it abroad? Why don't you spit as you spit here everywhere, the spitting habit after eating pan? When you go abroad, you feel it is your duty to observe those rules. But when you come back to India, back to the bad habits, and you have all the place littered. But you have one person in this country who thought of this very well. 2014 and thereafter 2017, none other than our most beloved Prime Minister, who is an iconic leader, who is today a world leader, that is Sri Narendra Modi ji. The movement that he started under Swachh Bharat mission, and today being observed at every level by every agency, whether it is defense, whether it is the civilians, whether it is society at large, whether it is institutions, we all are partaking in that. We must realize, please make it your movement. Think that we are doing this for the future of our children. Think you are doing this for the future of good nature to survive, the greenery to survive. Do you not know what is the effect of global warming already? Today, global warming is in such a way that everybody feels the impact. You don't know when it's going to rain. You don't know when there is going to be sunlight. Do you want such a very uncertain future where you don't know how weather will change? You have cloud bursts coming. You have mountains getting washed out. You get habitations getting washed out. Are we wanting this to happen to us? At least here in this beautiful state of Goa, we have really not encountered something of that kind, because being a small state, perhaps we have been able to manage it to some extent, but it needs participation, it needs involvement from each one of you.